Peloton takes another PR. Some people want us to say Peloton. Did you know that?
Did you?
Peloton.
I feel like you call it Peloton. No?
Peloton. Sometimes I speed it up and I say Peloton.
Right.
And then sometimes I give it a little more time and I say Peloton. Takes another PR hit after Billion's character, oh my God, suffers a heart attack while riding his bike. Attack. Okay, hang on, Will. Now, before you go any further, this is in the show. It's a fictional moment. See, we had the same thing with Sex and the City. Is this some sort of writer's conspiracy against Peloton? Everyone dies on the Peloton bikes in the shows? I don't know.
This seems like they're just kind of making fun of them. At this point.
Good Lord. So it's low-hanging fruit. I guess it's become a meme. They're so popular that it's easy to take shots at it.
But you would think that Peloton would be, like exercising with it would help you reduce the rate of a heart attack.
Of course it would be. I think there's something about the appeal. Like there's something about the widespread adoption of the product that you as a viewer could perceive a person going too hard on it, being out of shape. Like, I think what they're trying to identify is the type of person who isn't actually in all that great a shape, but then gets on it and just goes balls to the wall.
Yeah, the extreme.
I mean, it happens like I play hockey in men's league, and I was telling you, they have the defibrillator on the sideline. It'll be some guy, you know, who the type of character who's like living life most of the week, eating whatever they want, drinking a bunch of booze, and then
couch.
And they get to the rink and they go 10x where they're at. Yep. They just push it to, and then the heart. So it's probably a type of character they're trying to identify, like a guy who is kind of neglecting himself a lot of the time, but then trying to make up for it. But it's tough for the company. The company's already in trouble because they got all types of competition came out of nowhere. Well, not out of nowhere. I mean, they were doing so well. Obviously, they got competition.
Yeah, it's not doing too well. They a lot of investors telling them like, "Hey, you need to fire the CEO."
Wow.
Because
you need to.
I think this is the Sex and the City drop.
You need to take out all the writers that keep on putting this negative fictional stories that are impacting us. Yeah, but they're down for real reasons as well, not just fictional. There's a lot more competition, and they got an expensive product. And I think there was the internal memo that leaked that showcased how they had all this inventory because, and they were citing, you know, COVID as well as like people not wanting to spend as much money.
It's like halting production.
They were halting production. So, I mean, also stuff is starting to open back up. People might take the option of going to the gym, which wasn't really an option for many years. So they may have gone this direction, but it is funny to read about these fictional stories that have an impact in the real world. But I guess that's, can't help it.
Yeah.